How to transfer Netflix profile. Hey everyone, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will guide you that how can you transfer your Netflix profile. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the browser on your system, and from the browser you'll have to search for netflix.com, and after you search in the browser or open Netflix on your device, you'll be able to see such interface, and from your at the top right you'll have to click on drop down on your profile. Alright, from the drop down click on the option transfer profile. Okay, from here you'll have to just click on the option allow, and from here simply click on next. Alright, so from this section you'll have to just choose for the transfer options, like whether you want to transfer that profile on new account or your existing account. So simply select one option from here and click on next. Alright, from this option you'll have to just sign into your account you are transferring to. So from here enter the email address or phone number and enter the correct password, and after you enter that, click on that next option, just add the below, and after you confirm it, you'll be able to easily transfer your profile on Netflix. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon over there. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.